Hi everyone, we are very excited today to show you a new experience to create and edit the connections in Customer Journey Analytics. This will allow you to configure and manage your datasets. This is Rohit and I'm a product manager for Adobe's Customer Journey Analytics. Connections are the most critical part of the Customer Journey Analytics that allows clients to bring in multiple types of datasets, solving business use cases for all business functions like product, marketing, operations, or even finance. You can bring CRM data, mobile app data, web data, call center data, or even point of sale data. If you want to learn more about datasets and datasets type, I would recommend going through the Adobe Experience Leak documentation. Let's go through this new experience and create a connection. These datasets can be added into connection and they already exist in your Adobe Experience platform. We have added very important details for each dataset that would allow you to select the right ones, such as dataset type, size, schema, and dataset ID. I'm going to select the event, profile, and lookup datasets here. It is critical to select the right person ID for each dataset, because the wrong selection can lead to data ingestion and reporting issues, or overage cost. Before adding these datasets to the connection, you can backfill your dataset based on events timestamp. Like in this case, I can backfill the last 7 days and bring them into the connection. Or even you can enable to import all new data for this dataset. Let me do quick dataset settings for each dataset. Once added, you will see this review screen where you have all the datasets listed. You can review your configurations here, such as schema, dataset type, selected person ID, key, and matching key for lookup datasets. And even backfill status if you have requested any backfill for this particular dataset. We have provided an option that allows clients to delete the older data and retain the latest month's data in this connection. For example, you might want to keep the last 3 months of data in this connection and would like the system to automatically delete the older data that is no longer needed, and that can be doable through this UI setting. I can also preview my connection dataset and get the sense of data that will be available for you to analyze. Let's save the connection. After saving the connection, you will be redirected to the connection info detail experience and ready to create a data view to analyze your data in Customer Journey Analytics. I hope you liked this experience, and if there's anything you would like us to improve or add, we would love to hear back from you.